To get started with Simplifi by Quicken, first download and install the app on your mobile device or access it through the website. Once installed, create an account by providing basic information such as name and email address, and set up a secure password. Next, link your financial accounts to Simplifi by searching for your bank or financial institution and entering your login credentials. This will allow Simplifi to track your income and expenses, providing a comprehensive view of your financial situation. After linking your accounts, set up your budget by categorizing your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Simplifi will automatically track your spending and provide personalized budgeting recommendations based on your financial data. To make the most of Simplifi, take advantage of its features such as bill tracking, investment tracking, and savings goals. Set reminders for upcoming bills and payments, and track your investments to make informed decisions about your financial portfolio. Regularly review your budget and spending habits to identify areas for improvement. Use Simplifi's reporting tools to gain insights into your financial trends and make adjustments as needed to stay on track with your financial goals. By following these steps and utilizing Simplifi's features, you can take control of your finances, simplify your budgeting process, and achieve long-term financial stability. Remember to regularly monitor your accounts and adjust your budget as needed to ensure you are making the most of Simplifi's capabilities.